Hey guys, so I wanted to just kind of come on here and do like a little life update, what's happening in my life kind of thing. But right now, I currently have COVID. I tested positive yesterday, so I'm dealing with that. But in other news, I recently started taking my makeup courses so that I could become a certified makeup artist. I'm taking my courses through Online Makeup Academy and they sent me this big ass box. It's a makeup kit, so I'm gonna unbox it. So first we have a belt full of beautiful brushes. They sent some pretty lashes, 4 shades of the Makeup Forever Ultra HD Foundation, Makeup Forever Hydra Booster Primer, a big bottle of Inglot setting spray. These are the little cards that your client will hold up when you submit your homework assignments. This stunning palette that I cannot wait to play in once I'm over all this COVID. A pretty blush palette with lots of colors. Metal pad and spatula because we're all about sanitation here. Makeup Forever Brow Sculpting Palette. Yes, love this. Makeup Forever Waterproof Full Cover Concealer. Clear gloss from Inglot. You can never go wrong with the clear gloss. It goes with everything. Makeup Forever Excessive Lash Mascara. Inglot Gel Eyeliner and Brush. A Makeup Forever Bronzer. Cute little glitter things. They're not rhinestones, they're flat, but I love them. Color correcting palette, and I'm gonna be doing a bunch of videos on how to color correct soon once all this COVID shit's gone. Inglot Translucent Setting Powder. Another Makeup Forever concealer. And another one. Plasto Wax, which I can probably use this later on in my courses, I don't know yet. The OG Inglot Duraline. Everybody loves this shit. Everybody. If you don't have it, you need to go get it because you can use this shit for everything. This dupe for the Jaclyn Hill palette because we do not support Miss Jaclyn on this page. This is a contour slash blush slash highlight palette and these pans are huge. I'm living for this pretty ass lip palette, yes. And last but not least, a selfie ring light. We're gonna get them good pictures for our assignments. They did send me the kit and the courses for free so that way I could, share my experience with you guys. So if you have any questions or you want to know anything about my courses that I'm taking or anything like that, just drop them down in the comments and I'll be sure to answer as many as I can. Let's talk about the courses a little bit. The courses are all done online. And once you pay and everything, they'll send you an email with your login and all that. You work strictly on your own time. There's no deadlines, no nothing, and you can go over assignments as many times as you need until you feel like you know what you're doing. They accept students all over the world and there's no age requirement or education requirement, nothing. So anybody can go take these classes. Here's the best part. You will have lifetime access. So in 5 years down the road, if you want to, go back through your courses and just kind of catch up on maybe like sanitation or something, it's there for you to do that because it's lifetime. This is an accredited program, so your certificate will be valid and you will be able to get pro discounts at some of your favorite makeup brands. They do have a physical location in New York, so if you're in the New York area, that's something really cool to check out. They go over every skin type, every skin tone, every face shape, eye shape, etc. So no one is left out here. All in all, this is a great place to take makeup courses to become a certified makeup artist. I highly recommend. I am about 30% done with my first course. I love it so far. Everyone is so sweet. They're very responsive to emails if you have any kind of issues. It's very educational. If you want more information or if you would like to sign up, there is a link in my bio and you can use the code DestinyRichie $100 off and you'll get $100 off your courses. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments and I'll be happy to answer them for you.